Hello guys, in this video we will see how to stop, start and restart Splunk service on Linux operating systems. The process is same on all Linux operating systems. Open terminal, go to install directory, that is cd splunk ls. See here we have Splunk directory. Go to bin directory ls. See here we have the Splunk files. Okay, so first verify the status of Splunk. Sudo dot splunk /splunk, then give the status. See, Splunk service is running, that is Splunk D is running, which means that is the Splunk service. Okay, we can't check Splunk service by using sudo systemctl status Splunk D. See, we are unable to find. Okay, or we can try with Splunk also. See, we don't have any service like that. So we have verified the status. So if you want to stop the service, sudo Splunk, then give the stop. Hit enter. See, it is now shutting down. Now go to a browser. See, we have successfully stopped the Splunk service. Now give localhost port number 8000. See, we are unable to connect. Also, we can verify the same status. See, Splunk D is not running. So, if you want to start it again, just give start. See, I am in OPT Splunk bin directory. See, now it is starting. We have successfully started. Now refresh this page. See, we are able to connect to Splunk server. Also, we can verify. See, Splunk D is running. Okay, so if you want to restart, do the same. Sudo /splunk restart. Hit enter. See, it is stopped. Again, it is starting. While restart, it won't work. See, unable to connect. So we have to wait until restart completes. See, we have successfully started. Now reload this page. See, this page is opening. Now verify the status. See, we have successfully started Splunk service. So in this video we have seen how to stop, start and restart Splunk service on Linux operating systems. For more Splunk tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.